10,000 AI tools are fighting for your money right now. You need exactly 5. All free. Here's the list. And stacked together, they replace about $720 a year in subscriptions. I'll prove every claim as we go. Number 5 is the one nobody makes videos about. It's also the only one that pays you back in hours.
No são chores, no affiliate links.
And for every tool, I'll tell you exactly where it breaks. Let's move. Job 1. Thinking and writing. One assistant for emails, CVs, confusing bills, trip plans, homework. You'll open it 20 times a day. 31% of Americans already use AI several times a day. Most of them only ever need this first tool. The big 3, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. $20 a month each. Here's the decision in 30 seconds. You live in Gmail and Google Docs? Gemini. It's already inside every Google app you open. You write a lot and want it sounding human, not robotic?
Claude.
Its writing voice is the best of the 3. You want maximum features? ChatGPT. It can use your computer, work inside spreadsheets, and remember past conversations. Now the part nobody says out loud. The free tiers are enough for most people. Run one for 2 weeks first. Only pay when you actually hit the limits. Paying for all 3 is $600 a year for one brain in 3 coats. Job 2. Finding things out. Google gives you 10 blue links and 3 ads. Perplexity gives you the answer. Ask it anything you'd Google. It replies in plain English, with numbered sources you can click and check. That's the rule that keeps you safe in 2026. Never trust an AI answer that can't show receipts. Free plan, unlimited basic searches, every day. The paid deep research mode exists, but most people never need it. Real example, is this phone worth buying? What's the cheapest way to ship 5 kilos to the UK? Done in seconds. Where it breaks, local stuff. Plumber near me. Open now, boring old Google Maps still wins that fight. So that's finding answers. But the next tool is the most underrated thing Google has ever shipped. Job 3. Learning. NotebookLM. You feed it your documents, and it becomes a private expert on exactly them. A 60-page rental contract.
Lecture slide.
A car manual. Tax forms. Drop them in up to 50 sources per notebook. Ask it anything about your files. Every answer comes with a citation pointing at the exact page it came from. It builds quizzes and flashcards from your own notes. Students, this is legal cheating for exam prep. And the party trick. One click turns your documents into a podcast. 2 AI hosts discussing your tax forms. They sound genuinely fascinated. Listen on the bus, and your boring paperwork becomes a show about your life. The free tier is absurd. 100 notebooks, 50 chat questions a day, 3 podcast generations daily.
$0.
Where it breaks, it only knows what you feed it. General questions go back to your Job 1 assistant. Now, making things look good, because you are not a designer, and it turns out you don't need to be. Job 4. Canva. Type. A poster for my bakery's grand opening. Magic Design hands you finished templates in seconds. Ugly photo background? 1 click deletes it. Rough sentence? Magic Write turns it into clean copy on the design. CVs, invitations, presentations, social posts. The free tier covers the everyday jobs, and templates do the taste for you. Where it breaks, honestly. Canva's own AI images are mediocre. Fine for a flyer background, embarrassing as a centerpiece. And the flashiest one-click tools like Magic Expand sit behind the paid plan. Start free anyway. For jobs down, remember the tool I said nobody talks about? The one that buys back your weekends? It's not a chatbot. It doesn't write. It doesn't draw. It just quietly does your chores forever. Job 5. Zapier. It connects the apps you already use, Gmail, Sheets, WhatsApp, and moves things between them automatically. Every attachment you save by hand. Every form response you copy into a spreadsheet. That's a robot's job now. And you don't build anything technical. You type, when someone fills my form, add them to my sheet, send a welcome email. Its AI copilot builds the automation from that one sentence. It runs while you sleep, forever. Free plan, 100 automated tasks a month. Small, but for personal chores, that's usually plenty. Real talk, no repeating digital chores? Skip it.
For tools is fine.
Run a side hustle? This is your first employee. And that's how it buys your weekends back. Hours of copying and pasting gone. Now the whole system in 15 seconds. One assistant to think: ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini.
Pick one.
Perplexity to find answers with receipts. NotebookLM to master your own documents. Canva to make things. Zapier to automate the boring stuff. 5 jobs, 5 tools, $0 to start, and about $720 saved if you skip the triple subscription. Every other tool on those 50 must-have lists, usually one of these 5 in a different code, plus a fee. I test this stuff every week, so you don't waste money on hype. Subscribing is free, and it genuinely helps. Next week, I hand my entire holiday to AI. Real trip, real budget, real chaos. See you there.